meditation for beginners. Welcome to this beginner's guided meditation session. Meditation can be practiced in any posture, either sitting, lying down, or even walking. But to begin with, I would strongly encourage you to start practicing in a seated position. Let's take a few moments to find a comfortable sitting position. Using a chair is perfectly all right. If you choose to sit on the floor, try using a cushion or a yoga block so that your hips can be higher than your knees. This will prevent your legs from falling asleep. If you are sitting on a chair, make sure that your feet are hip-width apart, with your soles flat and grounded on the floor. Sit up tall by comfortably grounding your hips and then lengthening your spine. Allow spaciousness in your chest by slightly shifting your shoulders down and back, letting your arms relax and hang naturally, with your palms resting easily over your thighs. Now, gently close your eyes and take a moment to simply acknowledge how your body feels right now in this particular position. If you are feeling tense, make small adjustments to release some of that tension. See if you can find a balance between being relaxed and being alert. Let's take a few deep breaths now. Inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Breathe in, filling your lungs with fresh air. And breathe out, letting go of any unnecessary mental chatter. Inhale again with a clear and quiet mind. And exhale, relaxing and letting go of any mental or physical tension. And when you feel comfortable, come back to a normal, natural way of breathing through the nose. Don't try to control your breath now. Let it come and go naturally. Focus your attention on any part of your body where you can feel your breath coming and going. It could be the tip of your nose, or around the nostrils, or maybe the rise and fall of your belly. Any place where you can feel the breath distinctively coming and going. Don't think about the breath, but feel the breath and its movements, keeping your attention there. And whenever your mind wanders away, simply notice it and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Let's practice in this way for just a few moments. and again. When you find yourself lost in thoughts, just keep coming back to the breath without feeling disappointed. This is a natural and important part of the practice. It's normal for the mind to wander away, so be patient with yourself. See if you can reduce the time spent lost in thoughts by reminding yourself to come back to the breath as soon as you catch yourself distracted. Practice in silence for a few moments. By coming back again and again